Afternoon everyone, welcome back to my channel Jay's Hey Vlogs, and today we're not doing a vlog, rather we are doing a tutorial on how to overlay videos using iMovie. So let's start. Open the iMovie app and create new project and choose movie, then select a video. Video recently added, and let's click for this, yeah. So put check on create movie, then add, click the plus sign and add video recently added to. So let's choose the lesser time, which is 10 seconds, so we should choose less seconds and this might fit. Okay, before we add it, let's press the triple dot button and add as picture in picture. There we go. So let's click that, and I don't know how can I say these directions, drag to position to pinch to resize, and that's it. Let's play the
Ay,
video.
dilateya, no? Ash gray. Sasyalin, oh, may malunggay dyan. Oh.
So you can adjust this volume, even the volume of this, and you can remove the border of the overlaid video. So just click this, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching.